Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss with you the seasons and time. This is the first chapter in geography. Seasons, you know, what are the important seasons? Spring, autumn, summer and winter. These seasons are changing. Why? Because of the variations in the amount of sunlight. Not only that, you know that the revolution of the earth and tilt of the earth axis is the reason for variation of sunshine. What is the revolution? The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. That is known as revolution. Then I told you about the tilt of axis. Tilt of the axis is an 66.5 degree. So the earth maintains this tilt. This tilt means 66.5 degree. Maintains this tilt throughout its revolution. It is known as apparent movement of the sun. What is revolution? The earth revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit, that is known as revolution. Then I told you about parallelism of earth axis. Parallelism of earth axis. What is parallelism of earth axis? The earth maintains this tilt. Tilt means 66.5 degree. This is the tilt of the axis or inclination or slanting of the axis. The earth maintains this tilt throughout its revolution, that is known as parallelism of earth axis. You understood that earth revolves at the same time sun also moves. Sun moves in relation to earth. The sun moves in relation to earth varies apparently to the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, and the Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree south. Then I shall draw a picture. This is equator. Then I told you that the sun moves in relation to earth between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south. This is the movement position of the sun. Then it is known as the apparent movement of the sun. I shall say once more what is known as apparent movement of the sun. Sun moves in relation to earth varies apparently between Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north and 23.5 degree south, that is Capricorn. This movement of sun is known as the apparent movement of the sun. The apparent movement of the sun, due to the inclination of earth axis is the reason for the changes in seasons. The apparent movement of the sun due to the inclination of earth axis is the reason for the changes in seasons. I told you about the seasons: spring, autumn, winter, like that. So these seasons are there. When the sun is over the equator, equal sunlight is happening in the northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere. When the sun is over the equator, equal sunlight is obtaining in northern hemisphere as well as southern hemisphere. Then you can see that it is Tropic of Cancer. It is 23.5 degree north. It is Tropic of Capricorn. It is 23.5 degree S. When the sun is over the equator, equal sunlight is obtaining in northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Then, in this day, northern hemisphere getting the equal sunlight and the southern hemisphere is also getting equal sunlight. So that day is known as equinoxes. Shall say once more, when the sun is over the equator, equal sunlight is happening in the northern hemisphere as well as in the southern hemisphere. In this day, northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere getting equal sunlight. That is known as equinoxes. Then I told you, when it is happening March 21 and September 21. These 2 days are happening equinoxes. Then this sun moves from the equator to Tropic of Cancer on March 21. The sun moves to the north on March 21 and reaches vertically to the Tropic of Cancer on September 22. This day is known as winter solstice. This day is known as winter solstice. I shall say once more, the sun moves to northward and reaches vertically over the Tropic of Cancer on September 21. This day is known as winter solstice. Winter solstice has some peculiarities. What are they? Longest night and shortest day and shortest night is happening in the northern hemisphere. During the winter solstice, northern hemisphere is getting longest day and shortest night. This is the peculiarity of winter solstice. Then, during March 21 and September 21, the northern hemisphere experience spring season. Spring season. March 21 and September 21, what is happening in northern hemisphere is happening spring season. It is a transition period from summer to winter. It is a transition period from winter to summer. That is the peculiarity of spring season. Not only that, in the spring season, plants are sprouting, mango trees are blooming, and jackfruit trees are bearing buds. I shall say once more, March 21 and September 21. What is happening in northern hemisphere? Spring season is happening in northern hemisphere. Then it is a transition period from summer to winter. Then in the spring season, has some peculiarities. What are they? What are the peculiarities of spring season? Plants are sprouting, mango trees are blooming, and jackfruit trees bearing buds. These are the peculiarities of spring season. Then, now where is the sun? Sun is over the Tropic of Cancer. Then the sun moves southward and reaches vertically over the equator on December 22. Now the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer. Then it moves southward and reaches vertically over the equator on December 22. This day is happening summer in northern hemisphere. When summer is happening in northern hemisphere, when the sun is over the Tropic of Cancer, then it is moving southward and reaches vertically over the equator on December 22. This day onwards, summer is happening on northern hemisphere. Then also the sun moves from December 22 to southward and reaches vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn and reaches vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn on December 22. This is September 23 and this is December 22. December 22. This day is known as a summer solstice. I shall say once more, the sun moves from the equator and reaches vertically over the Capricorn on December 22. September 23 to December 22. This day is known as a summer solstice. Then from September 23 to December 22. September 23 to December 22, the northern hemisphere experiencing autumn. AUTUM. Autumn is experiencing in northern hemisphere. Then what is the peculiarity of autumn? It is the transition period from winter to summer. It is a transition period from winter to summer. All changes are happening in the northern hemisphere. I shall say once more, the sun moves from the equator on September 23 and reaches vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn on December 22. This day is known as a summer solstice. It is a transition period from summer solstice. That is known as a summer solstice. Then this day, what is happening? Shortest day and longest night is happening in the northern hemisphere. When the summer is happening, what is happening? The shortest day and longest night is happening in the northern hemisphere. Then the sun moves southward and reaches vertically over the Tropic of Capricorn on December 22. This day is known as a summer solstice. What is the peculiarity of summer solstice? The summer solstice, what is happening in northern hemisphere? Shortest day and longest night. Then during September 23 and December 22, what is happening? Spring season is winter season is happening in northern hemisphere. It is a transition period from summer to winter. These are the important things you have to remember. You have to remember about March 21 and September 21. Then the September 23 and what is that? December 22. These things you have to remember very well.